Let's understand the compounds. While studying matter, we have seen that element is a type of matter having simplest composition. On inspection of the composition of the types, compound and mixture, it is learnt that they are formed from two or more units. That means compound is made up of two or more elements. So whether these units are a joint state with each other or separate decides whether the matter is a compound or mixture. So that matter is joined together, that means it is homogeneous, then we can call it as compound. Otherwise, if we can separate it into in various ingredients, we can call it as matter or mixture. So one example is given here with the help of experiment. Let's see. We need for this experiment 2 evaporating dishes, and we have to take 7 gram of iron filling in first dish and 4 gram of sulfur in second dish. So then again we need a horseshoe magnet, U-shaped magnet, near the matter in both the dishes. We can observe that iron filling can be attracted towards it, but sulfur is not attracted towards the magnet. So now heat the matter, mix that matter again and heat it. Then again we have to observe what we can observe here sulfur can evaporate but iron filling could not. So record your observation. One more observation table is given here. Let's see. So see this observation table where we have to mention the color. Color of matter is iron filling has black color and sulfur has yellow. Now effect of horseshoe magnet. The effect we can see here, the magnet attracts the iron filling, not sulfur. And second point is that iron filling and sulfur in the dish were heated together. When it heated together, sulfur evaporates but iron filling could not. So this is the observation of experiment. Now in this activity, on testing matter obtained by mixing iron fillings and sulfur with horseshoe magnet, it was found that the resulting matter was a mixture of iron and sulfur and possessed properties of both the components. Some particles were yellow. They were sulfur. So yellow particles, remains of yellow particles are sulfur. Some particles were black, that is iron. So these were iron particles. The property of iron particles is to get attracted towards magnet was unchanged. Property जो है mix करने के बाद भी iron filling की it has not changed. Magnet can attract the iron fillings. So in other words, the component of iron and sulfur were in free state in the matter. On the contrary, when iron filling and sulfur were heated together and cooled, there was no effect of magnet, and the characteristic of yellow color of sulfur is also disappeared. While heating, sulfur evaporates, so the characteristic of sulfur also disappeared. From this, we can say that the matter formed in this activity is different from original component. In original component, before heating, the sulfur we can observe in yellow color, but after heating, sulfur evaporates. Before moving a horseshoe magnet, we can see the black, what we can say, iron filling. But when we move the magnet on both the substances, iron filling attracts towards it. So a chemical combination took place between iron and sulfur due to heating. In this activity, the atom of iron and sulfur became joined by chemical bond to form molecules of a new compound. So for that, we must know about molecular formula and vacancy.